Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and today we have another video. I bought a Garmin network adapter. It's a GMS 10 network port expander. I got this from West Marine. I ordered this on the 7th. Their West Marine's service sucks. It absolutely sucks. I've been waiting for a Garmin 40 reactor with a smart pump, hydraulic smart pump for like 4 months now, and I've also been waiting for the Vespa Cortex VHF AIS radio, and that's been just as long, like 4 or 5 months. Maybe they should pay their bills and pay their vendors on time, and their vendors will send them product. But this new company that owns West Marine, they absolutely suck. They have no idea what they're doing. At least someone should have boating experience and know about boat marketing to marine marketing to actually run a company like this, because they have no clue what they're doing. But anyway, Garmin's been doing a great job. I've called Garmin many times and they've got them in stock, just that West Marine are not ordering them. So my friend manages one of the West Marines, and I'm trying to help her out so her sales look good, at least for what I'm buying. So that's the reason I'm just going through West Marine, because she works for him. So, but I don't get no discount. I just get whatever's on sale. So, but anyway, this is the Garmin network port expander. I have threw this in their catalog. This is the unit itself. Pretty self-explanatory. It's got 5 ports, power port, and lights on it. For, I guess it's readability. I don't know. But it's got 4 points of contact to screw it on. It goes against the bulkhead or with a flat surface that you're going to put it on. Inside we have some instructions. This is a network cable, some sort of a stop plug, cable plug, brackets, which I'm not going to be using the brackets. I'm just going to mount it directly to the bulkhead. These are the screw things and seals for the network cable that is pulled out, and this is the power cable. These things are self-explanatory. This cable is going to be too short. So my plan is to have one for the. I have a 743 up here. I have a Garmin 743 up here. And I'm going to connect that one to one of these, and I'm going to put my 8612, my Garmin 8612, when it comes in stock, when it gets here, and that's going to be out there on the helm. That's going to be there. And then my radar, of course, and then I have 2 spaces for 2 cameras. I put 2 cameras on this two. But what I really want to know is, if you get another one of these, can you connect these 2 together? So have 2 of them, and you can use one. Then you have another 4 ports available for other cameras or other electronics network that supports this network. That's what I need to know. Can you put a network cable from here to another one and have 4 extra ports? So if anybody knows that, let me know. But anyway, this is the Garmin GMS 10 port expander. Fair winds, temperate seas, sandy toes and margaritas. This is SY out.